AC Alpha 12 responding south of that. Hard starboard.
There's really not any other, police force in the state that does what we do. We have a lot of emphasis with Homeland Security, so we're able to work with the Secret Service, being that boat asset to intercept drones that is surrounding the UN along the water lines.
One thing that's great about this job is, one day I could be patrolling on the boat, and then the next day I could be going down through Manhattan doing inspections. So we also do a lot with what's called RAD, which is any radiation detection, where we would identify any possible radiological threat that could pose a threat to anyone here in the city, not just government officials, but also citizens here in the city.
We're able to work with the Secret Service to help make sure that these events stay safe and as secure as possible.